good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 16, from verse 16 to verse 33. Jesus a go back to him Father. Little bit from now, you not go see me no more. Then, little bit after that, you go and see me. When Jesus done said that, some of them followers them said to them one another say, and what you mean when him say, little bit from now, you not go see me no more. Then, little bit after that, you go and see me. And what you mean when him say, me a go to my Father. Them keep on a ask. And what you mean when him say, little bit from now. We don't get what he must say. Jesus said to them, did want to ask him about it. So him said to them, say, and when me this say, you not ask no one another about, little bit from now, you not go see me no more. Then little bit after that, you go and see me. Me I tell you no for true say, you go and holler and bawl. But the people them in the world are go well happy. Uno I go sad, but that I go change and uno I go well glad. When one woman have picnic, she in a whole heap of pain, cause the time for she have picnic come. But when she have her picnic, she no remember the pain again. Say how she glad say somebody born come in the world. I said we so, it go with Uno. Uno in a pain now, but me going see Uno again. And Uno a go glad in her heart, and nobody can go make Uno not happy again. That time there, Uno not go ask me nothing again. Me I tell you no for true say, my Father going give you anything Uno ask for, cause Uno am a follower. I know Uno not ask for nothing cause Uno am a follower. Ask and Uno will get where Uno ask for, so that Uno can really happy. Me I use picture language tell Uno them sitting here. Time a come when me now go talk that way again. Me I talk to Uno plain and straight about my Father. That day there, Uno go and ask for things cause Uno am a follower. Me nah say me go and ask my Father for nothing for Uno. No, cause my Father love Uno. Cause Uno love me. And Uno believe say a God me come from. Me left from which part my Father there and come in the world. Right now, me I left the world for go back to my Father. Then him follower them say to him say, see there, and now you talk plain and straight and not talk in a picture language. And now we know say you know everything and you don't need nobody to ask you nothing. Sake of that, we believe say a God send you come in the world. When you believe me now, Jesus said to them, when you look, the time a come and it there already. When all of you go scatter and go on the yard, you go left me one, but me not there on me own, cause my Father there with me. Me tell you them sitting here so that you can have peace in our heart, cause me and you are one. In other world, you go have trouble and sufferation, but no fret. Me done with the fight with the world. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.